Good morning, everyone. This is our national costume from Spanish Town. I will first talk in Tagalog. Sa disyertong lupa, hindi lang tirahan kundi tahanan. Sa disyertong lupa, isang pamilya'y dumating. Bitbit ang pangarap sa bawat araw na gumaling. Ang magulang puno ng tawa, may layuning dakila. Sa bagong lupain, may halong kaba at saya. Ngunit ang disyerto ay naging daan sa biyaya. Sa disyertong lupa, ang United Arab Emirates, salamat sa iyong pagkalinga. Pamilya naming Pilipino, sa iyo ay may alaga. Sa wikang Pilipino, aming isisigaw, mabuhay ka, UAE! In English, I will tell you. In the desert land, not just a house, but a home in the desert. A family came, carried a dream. Every day you wake up, the parent full of courage, with great purpose. Here we will build our home. In the new land, mixed with excitement and joy. But the desert gave us a grace and hope. We have a job, we have a family, we have a home. Our kids were born, they were raised here with a good culture. We don't want to go to other foreign country because my husband said kids should born and raised here with a good culture. And he's not mistaken for that. Every Filipino is like a family member. Not just a place to live, but serve as a home. Where dreams come true in the desert land. The United Arab Emirates, thank you for your care. Our Filipino people will care for you also. In the Filipino language, we will shout, long live UAE!